Well, this is day 13's pattern from Juliana Martejevs, and it's the basic kimono, although quite personally I don't think it looks like a kimono. It looks more like a jacket. Not sure that I like the style. It's basically a straight up and down from the looks of things. Could have used a different coloured fabric because it's not easy to see what it looks like, is it, with it being black? Is it corduroy? Looks like it might be corduroy, but no, I'm not sure if I like that. It's bit of an iffy one for me. Let's have a look at the actual. Oh, there. No, it's not corduroy. It's like a striped fabric. What's the layout? No, that's not a kimono. I don't think. I wouldn't call that a kimono. But oh, and the sleeves are a front and a back. Yeah, possibly, but I'm not sure that I would want to make it. I've gone to the website and these are better views of the jacket. Much easier to see what it's like in a sense, but I still don't know if I would make it. everybody, we are in Richmond and his lordship is looking for, we've been around all the charity shops because he's been looking for an LP. Not an LP, some LPs.
Any
LPs, long playing, because he's bought his granddaughter for Christmas a long playing record player. And so what she wanted was it, what did you want it?
She's expressed a desire to own one, but she doesn't know she's getting it.
Right, okay, so, but the annoying thing is, he had hundreds of LPs. Hundreds. All the top ones, all the Fleetwood Macs, the Beatles, the
Zeppelin.
whole Led Zeppelin, the whole lot, and he sold them all. About how long ago? It was about 3 years ago.
About three
years ago.
A bit longer, probably 4 or 5 years ago.
He sold them all.
I thought prices had hit their peak at that time, but in fact they've kept going up.
LPs are coming back in favour, you see. So he hasn't anything to give her apart from one, I think. What was the one you were playing on the record?
Well, no, I've still got Led Zeppelin, Beatles, Beach Boys, Suzanne Vega, and then of my brother's Rod Stewart, which nobody likes.
Don't think so, Rod Stewart.
We've got Journey. That she might find that one.
Yes, well, she likes that kind of music because she often listens to that kind of music. So anyway, we've been around the charity shops trying to see if they have any LPs that he could buy. He couldn't find an LP, but he's bought. Guess what he's bought? A guitar.
A guitar.
A guitar.
£5.
£5. And he's just looked it up and you can sell them for £75. So he's thinking, that's a bargain.
I'm gonna fix
so he's got to do it up, smarten it up and make it look nice. The last one you did, you bought one in Farnham, a little kid's electric bass. Was it a bass guitar?
Yeah, I bought it for £10.
For £10. Did it up, smartened it up, new strings.
Went for £130.
That's the way to do it.
Well, you've got to know your stuff. I mean, fortunately I recognise guitars and stuff, but if it was anything else I'd be hopeless.
Anyway, we've done the round of Richmond and I said I'm going to go and get some lunch and he said, oh, shall we go down to the station? And I said, oh, that sounds like a nice idea, although it's looking rather busy. And he doesn't do queues, so I will not be best pleased if we suddenly go in and drive straight out. The problem with going to charity shops with his lordship is, and you might find the same with old men, you go around, you're just getting into looking at stuff, and then he's whizzed round in 2 seconds and come back and said they've got nothing. And you know that if you're going to be looking at any clothes or whatever, he's going to be standing right behind you, waiting and not making you feel uncomfortable, but making you think, oh, come on, let's just go. Which is why I like to shop on my own most of the time. But I'm getting used to it now. I just say, okay, let's go. So he's going to get the ticket for the car and then we're going to go in and get our lunch. I bought a shirt. I bought a scarf. Quickly show you. I bought a scarf and I bought a Marks and Spencer's blouse, which caught my eye. So I'll let you see what it looks like. Not now, but sometime later. I was tempted to buy a couple of lovely, lovely pure wool black coats. And I tried them on. They looked absolutely gorgeous. A black blazer as well. Tried 3 or 4 garments on. And he said, are you going to get those? And I said, no, well, I would love to. But I said, if I was teaching or if I was working and I was having to get dressed to go into work, then I would have bought them because they were all really lovely. But I'll never wear them. I always end up in something that's going to keep me warm rather than something that looks smart. Well, this looks smart, but something that looks smart and warm. Where's the rattle there? Oh, that's lovely. I'll do keys today. I'll do keys today. There's an empty table there. There's one there. Well, you've got to wait for her to put you in the thing to do it. Chili and lime dark chocolate.
They should have come yesterday, but they're coming today between 4:30 and 5:30. Yeah. I paid for express delivery as well, and they didn't turn up. They're the tin ones. I have the refunded me today. I think you only took 4, and I've got 4 in the bag. Oh, right, sorry.
We've had a 3-hour jolly, no rush and very nice. 3-hour cruise.
A 3-hour cruise, dotted with a very nice lunch.
Lovely lunch in the station.
Yeah, a couple of bargains.
What bargains? Oh, my scarf and my blouse.
And my guitar.
A birthday and a guitar. A birthday card for Mummy because she's 97 on Friday.
97.
Having a birthday party. And we bought some sweets for Christmas presents from the traditional sweet shop. And off we go up the hill.
Now she's having a birthday party, is my mum. But I bet you any money she turns round at some point and says, "Whose party is it?"
She will do. If she's not asleep.
If she's not asleep.